Hello, my wonderful doll-loving friends. This is Annie from Annie's Playhouse. I got my first fan mail. Look, I've got this wonderful package to open up, and I just thought it'd be fun to do it with you. I have this little sort of a setup here because I know that this present, this gift from my dear friend Delilah, is has to do with banking. So I saw a quick glimpse of what she was sending me, but I purposefully did not look at it much because I wanted to be surprised and I wanted to open it with all of you. So, boy, she taped it up really well. It's a struggle to get in here. But Delilah was in the banking profession for a really long time. To be perfectly honest, I'm not sure if she's retired from that or if she's still working in the bank. Let's see what this. Oh, let's see if we can. Here we go. This is a Barbie. So much to do bank. Is this a hoot? I remembered that there was an ATM involved, so I wasn't sure if it was an indoor gift, playset, or an outdoor playset. But now that I'm looking at it, it looks like it's an indoor one. This looks like it's a vault. That is too funny. And then this would be, where the dolls go to what did they call the teller, I guess? The bank teller? And then the ATM machine, I think, is hilarious. So the ATM machine could go indoors or outdoors. Whoops, knocked the little plant over. That's why I thought a brick wall would work for either indoors or outdoors. But I never knew this set existed. This is so funny. So I'm going to open this up. This, of course, is my beautiful Cheryl. She's from the Barbie You Create kit. I believe she's, is she kit 2? I think she's kit 2. And Cheryl is wearing that beautiful afro wig. It looks so good on her. And she's, of course, dressed in the Barbie style outfit with a sweater over it, because for some reason, Mattel does a lot of these midriff outfits, which is really cute, but that blouse is not appropriate with the midriff showing for a bank teller. So she's on her way to work to the bank right now. So this looks like it's a part of the ATM machine, and then this this looks like it's the vault. I think the vault is hilarious. Oh my God. All right, let's see what else is in this box. This looks like it might be the ATM machine, the top of it. And this looks like money and gold and jewelry for the vault and some coins. Oh my God, that's hilarious. I have to see what year this came out. Let's see if I can find that anywhere on the box. All right, so it comes with directions, and then it's got these cardboard cutouts. I guess this would be for the front and the back of it. That's what it looks like on the directions. Like on the front of the teller. This is upside down. Oh, it's telling you how to put it together. All right, well, it comes with good instructions, so that's good. And let's see, yep, more of that. Well, that's it, I guess. Is that right? Or is there one more thing in here? No, yep, there is one more thing. Oh, look, there's actual money. That's so funny. Of course, now we have mini brands, like real cash, so I'll probably be using that. But this looks like it's the top part of the bank teller's desk. So, oh my gosh, this is too funny. So, I'm going to put this together. I guess I'm trying to figure out what I should do with this part because You know, it'd be kind of cool to paint this, but I don't know. You know, this whole it might be fun just to leave it the way it is too, you know, to have it all like pink Barbie, because it would be sort of like in the Barbie, in Barbie land, you know, if we thought about it that way, that this was the bank in Barbie land. Anyway, the dolls are very chic. I actually have that outfit. I have that Ken, and I do have that Ken outfit. And oh my God, that's hilarious the way they've got the jewelry lined up. Uh, so anyway, I'm gonna, I guess, do a more modern version because she's kind of dressed in a more modern outfit, but she looks pretty hot. Very cute. All right, well, I'm gonna put this together and then come back. By the way, I did find the date. It's dated 1995. So generally, these things come out a year after the date is on there, so it probably came out in 1996. But I'm following the instructions. I think the ATM is my favorite part of this, although the bag vault itself is friggin' hilarious. So I finished setting up my little bank. Oh my gosh, it's so funny and so cute. So the vault here, like actually has this like little you know, thing that opens it and closes it, so you can actually really lock it. And let's see, I don't know if you can see on the inside. I'm going to try to lift it up without it falling apart. So inside, they gave us these little like gold bars. It would have been really cool if it was metallic gold, so they kind of messed up with that. And then there's like coins. So I added my own dollar bills because the dollar bills that they gave us, you know, were like this, like kind of like Monopoly money. So, you know, I had them from the Miniverse, you know, surprise capsules. And then they did also give us these, you know, kind of crazy jewelry that you could snap off. You know, a little kid might enjoy that. You know, I may be able to use some of these if I get some gold nail polish and you know, make necklaces out of them. But I just put in like my own little necklace. Anyway, it's just so cute. I could see where a kid would have fun with this. And, you know, I had a ball with it myself. And then this is the little tellers. You know, stand, and that has this old-fashioned computer, and it has the little, you know, like Barbie's financial graph or something there, and then a little keypad. Let's see, an old-fashioned telephone, and then an old-fashioned calculator. We don't see these much anymore. I'm not sure what these are for. They're like little wands or something. Pens, probably, I guess they're pens. And then the ATM machine is my favorite part, of course. Oh yeah, by the way, I flipped this over. It says Barbie on the other side, but it was just a little bit too much of Barbie in your face, so I just did it this way. And then there were little stickers you could put on that would make it ATM, and then these are the little you know, ATM cards. It's kind of funny because it says, please take one. And there are these little, whoops, little ATM, oops, there goes the money. These little ATM cards that also are like on, so, you know, it's not like you take one. you have to get one from the bank. It's kind of funny. But anyway, it's the way they did it. And then, so, for my scene, I was going to use our beautiful Cheryl as the teller, probably. But then when I really took a good look at this and realized that I have this Ken, I went and found him and found the outfit, and I got him dressed up in the same outfit. Oh my gosh, I laughed so hard. So he's going to be our teller. This is a decent outfit. It's very nicely made. There's khaki pants, and then this vest and the shirt and the paisley, that paisley print is so funny, and tiny little buttons, but that's all sort of sewn together, and then the jacket is separate. So this is sleeveless, and then it's got this separate jacket. It is actually pretty well constructed, and gosh, I remember the paisley from those days. It was like, oh, a guy in a paisley shirt was just to die for. So I remember that clearly. So once I had him dressed up, I thought, well, Cheryl just doesn't quite fit in. I wanted to stick with this era. And so the Barbies that they used on the box are clearly, the superstar faces and the outfits. I wish I had this blue suit. It is cute. I actually might have that pocketbook. But look at the chains on it. It's really cute. And I don't have this one either. So I just got, I used what I had. So I'm surprised I don't have as many dolls with the superstar face. I mean, I do have several, but the Playline ones, not as much. So I got this little girl out. Now, I think she was a gymnast because it turns out that she had flat feet, and I had really a hard time finding shoes that fit her. So I just used these Creative World sneakers because I couldn't, or sandals rather, I couldn't find anything that fit her feet. But she is, has articulation, so I thought she'd be cute for the customer that's using the ATM card. And I put some money in that little slot over there where the money comes out once she puts her card in. Little bag over there. There you go. So she's getting money out of the ATM machine. And then for the other customer, I found this really cute Christy that I have from that era. And, I tried to find outfits that I actually purchased during that time. And so this one here I thought would be cute. It's a Barbie outfit, and that's all I know about that. I haven't actually looked that up. But then this one on Christy, it was interesting because I was trying to figure out, I believe I have a jacket that matched this leather skirt. I think there was a jacket, but I love this little top. I put on, that's a modern necklace, but I thought it went well with it. But this little jacket she's wearing with the hat, I was like, where did that come from? Because the label in it said SVH. And so I was like, that's got to stand for something. And I did a little investigation. And so I don't know if you remember the Sweet Valley High collection. There were dolls that, Mattel actually, I think, did make some of them. And then there was another company named Bandai, is what it looks like, Bandai. And so there were dolls in that collection. I never got any of the dolls. But apparently I did get this, this fashion pack because that's the coat and that's the hat. And I do have these pants. I don't know. I don't remember having that jacket, but I might. I kind of went through my my clothing stash yesterday, but I couldn't find that. But it looks like she came with fringe boots and this one too. These boots might have disintegrated with time. That was made out of cloth, and I think I still have that one somewhere. But anyway, this is the little scene that I have, the little banker scene. I hope this was fun for you because I really had fun putting it together. So thank you, Delilah, for this fun gift. You really made me laugh. I really enjoyed this. And please take care of yourself and those you love. I send you my love and enjoy your hobby. Bye now.